So tell me about your time at Zito.
Zito was very intimidating. First job, they're kind of like also the downtown startup tech awesome company of, San Diego.
Sure.
The office was super cool, all the like different Harry Potter houses that they had, and their structure was full mob programming. So these big, giant, 90-inch TVs with these like tables, and it's a very strict rotation, like 3 people on a mob, and I wasn't working on the Zan side of things, so I was working on the ZXM side of things.
Okay.
And the difference there was Zan was like their main baby, like the ad network. It was Java heavy with React front end and some other cool languages. Working on the ZXM side was more like it was tools to help manage their existing clients' properties. And so it was very cloud heavy, which I had never touched before, a lot of AWS. And then some of the other things that we worked with were like PHP and Drupal as a content management system. And we basically we built a platform so that half designers, half coders could easily build funnels into Drupal that we could use we had like custom tracking metrics that we could kind of gather data about which pages were working and which pages weren't working. And so it was this like kind of marketing funnel type of a product.
Cool.
Yeah. The company and the culture were fantastic. I mean, it was very cushy.
Yeah. It sounds like you also learned a lot.
A huge amount, yeah. I was kind of in the throes with building full stack features for the first month or two. So got to learn a little bit about PHP, wrote some vanilla JavaScript and stuff, and then was actually tasked with somebody from my cohort got hired there also, like I said, Alexa.
Yeah.
And we got tasked with this kind of redesign of our AWS infrastructure, moving it from an application to containerization on using the ECS, their container service, and automating the whole thing. So we had this dream that when we would sign up a new client, we could press a button and it would spin up their infrastructure. So we got to use Ansible to kind of code out the infrastructure of it, and bring an environment up and bring it down. And that was super powerful to get exposure into not just full stack features, but infrastructure that surrounds that type of stuff. It got me super comfortable with Linux and Bash and kind of networking and being able to set all those kind of things up. It got me comfortable outside of the application, which was really cool, really powerful.
That's great.